How to freeze a frame in Clipchamp. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you have to do is go to clipchamp.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, just go ahead and select any video you want or upload a new video. So tap on create a new video right here. And once you've done that, you should be able to select a video. So let me just go ahead and import media from my device. I'm going to go to pictures and I have a video here. So let me just go ahead and import this video right here. Now you can just drag and drop the media down to your timeline. So here I've got the video, so let me play it for you guys. So let's say if I want to freeze right around here, what I can do is just split the video here. So tap on this split icon or just press S on your keyboard and it will split the video. Now you can move it further down if you want and create a gap for your freezed timeline. So what you can do is just take the last possible frame. You can just zoom in by pressing Control plus zoom, and you can just get to the last possible frame right here. Now the one thing that you can do is just go ahead and take a screenshot of this entire frame. But if you don't want to do that, then what you can do is just go ahead and go to the last possible frame right here. Let me just drag it down a bit more. All right, so you can split the last possible frame once you've zoomed in. So let me just get down to the last frame. Now you can just split this frame again. And once you split it, you'll have this frame right here. All right, so once you have that frame and you've split it, then all you have to do is just go ahead and decrease the speed. And once you've split the last frame, you're just going to have to copy it and then paste it here. Control V, click right here, press Control V, copy this, and then paste it. Keep doing that, and then you'll fill out this gap. And once you've filled out the gap, your frame should be frozen. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.